Guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Stripe customer portal account. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Stripe. After typing, you will see this first official link of Stripe. Click on this link. After clicking, you will be welcome to this page of Stripe. Now from here, I have the option of dashboard, but if you are new to Stripe, you will have the option of sign in. Just simply click on sign in and sign in with your email and password, and then you will be able to access the dashboard, or you can say the home page of Stripe. Now, after coming to the dashboard on the left side, scroll a bit down and then you will see the option of billing. After clicking on billing, a drop-down menu will open and then click on subscriptions. Now, after clicking on the subscriptions, you just have to scroll a bit down and then on the right side, you will see set up a self-serve customer portal. Click on this setup portal to set up your own customer portal. So now from here, you will be redirected to the customer portal section. And after that, you will see there are the multiple options like the invoices, customer information, payment methods, cancellation, subscriptions, and business information. But if you want to just activate your customer portal link and copy and paste it to another software, click on activate test link and then it will activate a test link for you. And you can just simply copy this link and then you can paste on any software based on your requirements. So this is how you can set up your Stripe customer portal account. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.